Before you reach for another supplement or prescription, let's talk about what nature already provides. These are the natural herbs, foods, and habits that can gently boost fertility by supporting your body's balance from the inside out. Fertility isn't just about one organ, it's your whole system. Hormones, stress, nutrition, and energy all play a role. When one part's off, everything feels out of sync. But the beauty of natural remedies is, they don't force, they restore. Let's start with herbs that have stood the test of time. 1. Maca root balances hormones, boosts libido, and supports energy. 2. Red clover, rich in vitamins that nourish egg health and uterine lining. 3. Vitex, chasteberry, regulates cycles and encourages ovulation naturally. 4. Ashwagandha, reduces stress, one of the biggest fertility blockers. 5. Shatavari, an Ayurvedic herb known as the queen of fertility for women. Next up, what you eat fuels your hormones. These foods create a foundation for fertility. Avocados, healthy fats that support hormone production. Leafy greens, rich in folate and magnesium. Pumpkin seeds, high in zinc, crucial for ovulation. Berries, antioxidants that protect eggs from oxidative stress. Lentils and chickpeas, natural plant-based protein and iron. Let's dive into a quick fertility tea recipe. Try this simple fertility-boosting tea you can make at home. 1 TSP red clover, 1 TSP raspberry leaf, 1-2 TSP maca powder, optional. Steep 10 minutes and enjoy daily. Finally, let's talk about lifestyle habits that support fertility. Fertility is also about slowing down and aligning with your body. Manage stress, breathwork, walks, journaling. Sleep 7-8 hours. Avoid excessive caffeine or alcohol. Track your cycle naturally. Nature has everything we need. Sometimes we just have to listen to our bodies again. If this video helped you, hit subscribe and share it with someone who's on their fertility journey. Let's grow naturally.